Video on some features of your rental owner portal. So the link to the rental owner portal will be below the video. Your email and your password will be required to log in, of course. If you forgot your password, there is a forgot password link in the sign in page, so you'll be able to reset your password from there. Once you have signed in, this is the first thing you're going to see. You'll see the general financials of the property. From here, from this page, you're able to select whichever property that you have. If you have multiple, you'll be able to select which one. You will select a different period. So we can go month to date and click search, and it will just show us that certain period of time. You can select the accounting principles, so you can either select cash basis or accrual basis. The main difference between the two is the cash basis takes into consideration the actual exchange of money, compared to the accrual basis is simply based on when certain things are charged. So you can best, for general overview, for cash purposes, we can just change it to cash, because honestly that's really what I believe is the most important, is just seeing exactly when cash was received and cash was sent out. So if we click on a little plus sign for that certain property, we can see exactly what has been charged and what expenses have been deducted from the rent, right? So if we can go, let's say quarter, search, and this is the look we'll have, and we'll be able to see exactly what is happening. So any numbers that are in blue, you can click on. It will lead you to another screen where it'll give you more information, okay, about whatever that amount is. So we see here, description, it was the payment for the rent. If we go back, so we can either click on the icon here, bring us back to the front page. If we click again on the property to extend it, we can also go see what each charge is. So we can click on the charge itself, on the amount itself. That will lead us to another page where it will show us more information about that charge. So we see here in the description it was a reimbursement. It'll be, of course, there'll be a better description afterwards, but this is simply for the video. And then this little thumbnail here will actually allow us to see the bill itself. So we'll get to see the actual receipt or invoice or whatever it is. And then of course you can download it from here as well. If sometimes it doesn't load, so if it doesn't load, you can always just click on reload file and it'll just attempt to reload the file itself. So we can go back again to the main page, and from here extend again, and at the bottom here we get to see the net income. So this is really a general income statement, okay? The rental owner ledger lets us see all the payments that were sent to yourself. So this is the net rent. From here you can download a quick owner statement if you'd like, by just clicking statement, clicking the current period, last period, whichever one works for you. A rental owner statement looks like this. So the rental owner statement has a summary of the property. So it pretty much shows you all the income, the owner contributions, other additions, the expenses, and the owner draws. The following page is your actual income statement. So it shows you the rental income, it shows you the management fees that were deducted, the repairs and all the taxes that were associated. So all the expenses, and gives you the net income. So pretty much the same thing as the first page when you logged in. Now at the bottom is where the detailed transactions are. And this, I believe, is probably going to be the most useful to you, just to understand exactly what was deducted from the rent collected. And then it explains then why the owner draw, or the money that was sent to you, was that certain amount. So if I go back to my web page here, that's what the rental owner ledger lets you see. Now in the documents section, any documents that are related to your property will be uploaded and attached to your property from our admin side, and will be visible to you from this page. So you'll be able to see the management agreements, residential tenancies, the rent or the lease, the inspection reports. That kind of stuff is what we end up uploading to the property and should be available to you to see there. Here you can just click on it and you'll be able to download whatever document you like, and then go from there. Now, if we go into requests, you can send us specific requests just by clicking on the request tab, click on add a request, send a subject, the description, and any files you'd like, and then select the property you want and click submit. Let me go cancel here so I can go back. Now the final tab is the reports tab. Now we click on the reports tab. This brings us to the financials reports page. We can download all kinds of reports. Lets you guys kind of explore this page, but the most important report to see is the rental owner statement, because the rental owner statement has the income statement and the transaction details, and it lets you also select, again, the date range that you'd like. So you can either do a custom date range, or as you can see, there's multiple different predetermined date ranges to select from. And then from here, you make sure to select or to click on the income statement, transaction details, run the report, and this will show you the owner statement. So it will show you the exact same report that we downloaded from the rental owner ledger, but directly onto your computer. So see here, the detailed transactions are all showing up here. Your income statement is right here, and the property summary is right here. Now this report can either be printed from here, you can email it to yourself in different formats, so PDF, Excel, or CSV, and same thing for downloading. You can download it in PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can always return back to the home page by clicking on the OPM logo, and from there starting fresh again, or just staying at this front page. Now if you click on here and you click my settings, there's a bunch of things that you can also do, like adding your name, your phone number, or photo if you'd like, and then of course in under security, change your password, add a two-factor authorization, so on and so forth. So that was pretty much a quick overview of what's available to you on your rental owner portal. I hope this helps, and of course if you have any questions, you can always send us an email at info@ottawapropertymanager.com. I'll be more than happy to help. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.